Welcome to Narayana Live classes. We have a set of assignment here. Sadhana worksheet 1. Okay, just check out the page numbers in your Sadhana book and try to do it. So this is class 5. So don't bother about the assignments, number and everything. So give one word answer from the following. You have to give one word answer from the following. So the condition of atmosphere of a given place at a given time. The condition of atmosphere of a given place at a given time. So there is a condition of atmospheric pressure, you can say, or atmospheric condition, which changes from time to time. That is nothing but weather. So you're supposed to write weather here. Next one, the high above the sea level. The high above the sea level is nothing but altitude. Everything is measured by the mean sea level and mostly the landforms which are above the sea level. So what landforms you can do? It can be a plains, it can be plateaus, it can be a hills or the mountains. So altitude is the answer. Moisture or water vapor present in the air. Moisture or water vapor present in the air is called humidity. Invisible water molecules are present in the air, that is called humidity. Average temperature, weather condition of a place over a long period of time. This is a short period of time, this is a long period of time. That is nothing but climate. Climate is the answer. Clear? Okay, now let's see what is this. List any 5 places in India for each of the following is affected by the seasonal winds. Now you need to understand, to write this one, you need to understand first the India. This is equator, this is prime meridian. India lies here. India lies here. So Tropic of Capricorn is passing through like this, right? Now with the help of this, you need to understand what states are coming or what is exactly. So what they are asking, list any 5 places in India for each of the following which are affected by the seasonal winds. So we have Torrid Zone, you have Temperate Zone, you have Frigid Zone. Okay, so many states comes under all these 3 heat zones. Now coming to the first, Torrid Zone. So Torrid Zone is the places which are very near to the equator. Okay, this is equator. What are the states? Southern states are very near to the equator. So it's Kerala, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh and Maharashtra. These are the places which are comes under Torrid Zone. Okay, now coming to the Temperate Zone, above Tropic of Cancer, the remaining states all comes under the Temperate Zone. So you have Telangana, you have Madhya Pradesh, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh and Haryana. Telangana, not complete Telangana, the northern part of Telangana. Okay, clear? Now coming to Frigid Zone. So here you can say this is Arctic region. Okay, so which places comes near the Arctic region? So you can understand the very cool areas like Jammu and Kashmir, Punjab, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand and Ladakh. These are the places which comes under all the 3 heat zones. So this you can do when you're thorough with the content. You need to understand all the heat zones perfectly, but before that you need to understand the latitudes first. Okay, so let's go for the next one. Write T for the true and F for the false statement. Weather changes every day. It is true. The temperature increases with the increase in the height. The temperature increases with the increase in the height. The temperature decreases when we go upwards, right? It decreases. When you climb the mountains, you have a less oxygen, it is very chill. So temperature decreases. The statement is false. Penguins are found in polar region. True. Okay, but God should help the planet Earth. I don't know what's going to happen now. The Arctic regions are melting, the polar regions are melting now. Climate affects the way people live, have their food and the wearing clothes. Definitely true. This is true. It depends upon, if you can see Rajasthan people, they wear the turbans and the long kurtas and the dupattas and ghagras to protect them from the sun and heat, right? Winds blowing from desert area are cool and moist. Is it? Wind blowing from desert areas are cool and moist. It is cool, it is hot, loo. It is false statement. Yeah, let's see what is this. This is Sadhana worksheet 2. Okay, so once you know the whole textbook, when you understand the lesson, you can do whatever, you can play with all the assignments, all the question answers, okay, but you need to thorough with your content. So let's begin here. Explore and find the hidden words inside the word grid on the clues. So you need to read the clues and you need to find out. So here, the condition of atmosphere at a particular place and a time is called a particular place. So it is weather, it is weather. So let's see where is weather. W-E-A-T-H-E-R. So this is the weather. Okay. So either like how it is there in the word grid, the colors, or you can circle it or you can color it. It's your wish, children. So let's go for the next one. Dash is a common average weather condition over a long period of time. Long period of time, it is definitely a climate. Let's see where is climate in this hidden. So climate, C, climate, C, climate. Let's see where is climate. Here is the climate. Okay, so let's go for the next one. Hot zones is also called as, or is known as. Hot zones is also known as torrid zone. Hot zones, okay, hot heat. This is all are about the heat zones. So torrid zone is also called a torrid zone. Torrid Z-O-N-E. This is the answer. Okay. So let's go for the other one. The temperature decreases with an increase in altitude. The temperature decreases when you increase in altitude. So where is altitude? A-L-T-U-D. Altitude is here. Altitude. Okay. So let's go for the next one. Dash is the moisture present in the air. Humidity. Okay. Answer is humidity. So invisible water molecules which present in the air is called humidity. So where is humidity? Here is humidity. Okay, children. So with this, you can do the different word grids, but perhaps you need to understand what is the content first, right? So let's go for the next one. Match the weather condition of the following places with the weather icons. You have some icons here, weather icons. You need to read this and you need to match with that. Is it clear? So let's go. It is very hot in Jodhpur. So hot in Jodhpur, the temperature is measured with the help of the thermometer. So when it's hot, the mercury rise up. So let's see where is mercury. Yeah. So C is the answer. It is very cold in Ladakh. So the mercury goes down. So E is the answer. Clear? It rains heavily in Shillong. Shillong. Where is Shillong? Shillong is the capital of Meghalaya. Heavy rain. A is the answer. So always, if you can take Cherrapunji or Musindram, 365 days, it always rains there, right? It is partially cloudy in Delhi. So it is not, it is partially cloudy in Delhi. So this, B is the answer. There is a snowfall in Shimla. There is a snowfall in Shimla. Snowfall, this is snowfall. So D is the answer. Okay, this is how you can identify with the help of the icons. Like when you cross the roads, you have different parking areas. Don't park here, don't go there. Okay, tick or wrong something is you have. Even for mapping also, you have different index to locate the maps. In the same way, you have the weather icons. Okay, with this, we have concluded the assignment, children. So keep reading your textbook. Thank you.